Hmm. First problem, find the volume of the sphere whose radius is 7 centimeters and 0.63 centimeters. 0.63 wala I'll explain because both you can do it. It is not a difficult task to you. You need to do the calculation only. Just what is the volume of the sphere formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi r cube directly you have to substitute and radius is given to you as a 0.63. And 0.63 ka cube find out karna. Don't try to use the calculator if you are doing in your notebook. That does not develop your knowledge. Even small multiplication and everything you are whatever you are doing, you do the rough work and something logic you apply it. Try to do it a little bit fast. Okay. Second question is the radius is equals to 0.63 centimeters or meters. Meters is given to you. So value of the sphere is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is equals to 4 by 3. Pi value is 22 by 7. And 0.63 into 0.63 into 0.63. What is the final answer you are going to get it? Meter cube. Okay, 7 1 is 7, 7 9 is 63 now. So 0.9 you are going to get. The remaining 3 ones are 0.3. That you have to multiply. So just multiplication part only I'm leaving to you. You can do it, I think so. Okay, let us, if you want the final answer also 0.63, 0.63. And I see, I'll explain to you the two-digit multiplication with the two-digit multiplication. ये two digit only ना. Square find out करना है. Easiest way पता है आपको? Simple way is, suppose if you want to do it, 0.09 होगा, 0.9 होगा, yes. See, if you see, very good question. That if you are getting a doubt, ये करो, sorry 0.7 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है ना. 7 9 से 63 आएगा, तो डेसिमल पॉइंट क्या होगा? समझ में आया? So 0.09. Yes, very good. So that if you get it out, that observation you need to have properly. So this two-digit multiplication with the two-digit multiplication, let us see. Yet, how do you multiply this one? First, you multiply these two. It's a cross multiplication. 18 and 18. 18 का double 36. So 3 carrying and 6 right here. In single step I am doing. Next, these two multiply. 6 is the 36 plus 3, 39. Then you place the decimal point after 4 digits. Because here 2, here 2. This is the final answer you are going to get here. And these 88 and 0.8, ये भी multiply करो. 88, 0.03 and 88 multiply करो. तो 88 को 3 multiply, 8 3 is 24, 8 3 is 264. But the decimal point, so this को 2.64. This you have to multiply. There is no other alternate way to do this. Normal multiplication you will have to perform it. Okay, you can do it. Can you do it? Now, next question is given to you that the second one, find the amount of the water displaced by the solid spherical ball of the diameter 28 centimeters. Displaced means spherical ball is dropped into the one glass or somewhere else. And if the glass is having the full of water and it is going to displace the water, water is going to flow out. So how much volume of the water is? What is the amount of the water displaced by a solid spherical ball of the diameter? Here diameters are given to you and you need to convert into the radius. Diameters to by 2 करके radius convert करना. That is the one thing. You can do it here and both are given to you multiples of 7 only. 28 is multiple of 7. और इसमें half करो 14 आ जाएगा. And radius for the second one is 0.21. 0.21 by 2 you have to take into that. So that also you can do it. Okay. So let us move to the difficult problems. Let us take into consider here. Third problem I will explain to you. Don't worry. Third one. The diameter of the metallic ball is 4.2 centimeters. So what is given here? Let us write here. Then radius is equals to 4.2 by 2 centimeters. That is 2.1 centimeter. This is 8. किधर है किधर देख रहे हैं हाँ? This is 8 na, it's not visible to you. So radius is equals to 4.2 by 2, that is 2.1 centimeters. Okay, now here volume you need to find out, and what is the mass of the ball if the density of the metal is 8.9 grams per centimeter cube. So last 8.9 to be multiplied to the whatever the volume you are going to get it. Okay, so which is equals to volume of the ball, volume of the ball. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So which is equals to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is 21 by 2, 2.1 by 2, 2.1 by 2, 2.1 by 2. Isn't it? By 2, everyone is saying, and by 2 already this is radius. So by 2 क्यों आएगा? So 2.1, 2.1, 2.1 only you are going to get it. 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. Now 7, 0.3 or 0.03? Huh? 0.3 or 0.03? 0.3. 3 ones are 3, 0.1. So 2.1, 2.1 multiply करो. 2.1, 2.1, 21, 21 का multiple means square है. So what do you get here? 1, 4, 4. 441 means 4.41. And this is 88. 88 multiplied to this. This is 88 ना, 88 multiply कर दिए तो 8, 8 4 are 32, 3, 8 4 are 32, 35, 3 5 2 8 same आएगा, 8 0 5 6 7 8 8 3. So decimal point here, 2 decimal places, and if you multiply by the 0.1, one more decimal place we are going to get it, that is 38.808 centimeter cube. 38.808. Calculation, see here, why I am doing here this one, because how do you can do it faster way, that one problem I am showing to you. And mostly ये प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत ज्यादा बच्चे क्या करेंगे ना, नोट्स में करते समय अरे कौन सोचेगा, मोबाइल पास हाथ में रहता है, कैलकुलेटर ओपन करेगा. डोंट डू लाइक दैट. Don't use the calculator for simple calculations. Repeatedly I am saying to you. Okay, now volume is, we got it, and asking you to find out the mass of the metallic ball है ना, this is mass of the metal, you can write is equals to 8.9 into 38.808. 8.9 into 38. So this you have to multiply with 8.9. So here decimal point actually you are going to get it here. In confusion don't, right? Once you have to multiply with the 9, next you have 9 8s are 72, 9 8s are 72, 7, 9 is 79, 7, 9 3 is 27 plus 7 34, 8 8s are 64, 64 6 77, 8 3 is 24, 31, 2 11, 8 9 13 5 4 3. डेसिमल पॉइंट कितना आएगा? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 345.3912. Huh? Why? Because here actually when you multiply 4.41 with 88, you are going to get it as a 388. But here one more 0.1 is there. That also we have to multiply. So 345.3912 grams. Okay. Right. Next. What is given here? It is very interesting question to you. And important also, examination point of view, repeatedly asked the question. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Diameter of the moon is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Already we have solved this problem. Okay. What is the fraction of the volume of the earth? There here we have solved the surface areas, and here it is asking for you to values. Same model, I think you can do it. Can you do it? हाँ और explain करना है. एक step में भी कर सकते हैं. This problem if you want. In one step also you can do it. Volumes 1/4 is given. Volume of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter. 1/4 means diameter 1/4 means radius also 1/4 होगा. That is nothing but moon. Earth is 4 times bigger than the moon. Earth is 4 times bigger than the, and volume of the both means 1/3 pi r cube. And what is the volume of the earth? Sorry, what is the fraction of the volume of the earth to the volume of the moon is that? So how many times cube आएगा ना? 4 times बोला है. So 4 cube by 1 cube. Can you understand why 4 cube? 4 times bigger it is given to you. So that's why earth is 4 times bigger. So for volume of the sphere formula is 4/3 pi r cube है. So cube will be included. So that's why 4 का cube आ जाएगा. 4 का cube 4 cube is equals to 64. 64 is 1. The answer, final answer. Can you? Is it 64 by 1? Actually, here the question is asking you to the ratio. So normally what to do here is, if you want to do the problem, you can consider the 8r. We have taken that one because radius whenever we are taking into consideration. Surface areas problems explain करते हुए बोला. समझ में आ रहा है ना? कर सकते हैं ना? ये तो simple है. That's why I'm saying to you 4 cube क्यों आएगा? This question can be asked in objective also. And fifth question is given to you. How many liters of the milk can be a hemispherical ball of the diameter 10.5 centimeters can hold? Diameter 10.5 centimeters is given. Hemisphere is given. So what is the volume of the hemisphere? 2/3 pi r cube. 2/3 pi r cube you have to find out. So fifth problem, see here. Given diameter is equals to 10.5 centimeters or meters. Centimeters. Therefore, radius is equals to 10.5 by 2. 10.5 by 2 is nothing but 5.25. 5.25. Or you can keep it 10.5 by 2 as it is. Because वैल्यू में 2/3 आएगा. 22 में 2 होगा. वो 2 कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. Why do we increase the decimal places? So that we have to. Volume of the ball. Volume of the ball is equals to 2/3 pi r cube. A hemispherical ball also you can write. 10.5 by 2. 21/2 is the 10.5. 10.5 by 2. 10.5, 21/2 will become as a 10.5. So 10.5 में half है. You cannot write. Either you want to write means 5.25 you can write. But why I am not writing, I will explain to you. 2/3, 22/7. Either 10.5 by 2, either 10.5 by 2, here 10.5 by 2. So these two will get cancelled. That's why here 2 and here 11. So this 3 ones are 3, 3.5. 7 ones are 7, 3.5. So with a 3 it is possible to cancel. Yes. So this one with a 3. 3 3 is 9. तो ये गलत है. तो you have to identify. 3.5 I have written and you are not saying. 7 1 is 7. 1.5 we are writing. So now what is left over here? 1.5 into 3.5 into 10.5 by 2. This we have to simplify. And here it is asking to you in liters. So this we are going to get it in centimeter cube. Oh, sorry, 11 बोल गया. ये तो मैं भूल गया, जानबूझ के नहीं किया. तो चीजेस, it is a human error sometimes happens, but sometimes wantedly I am missing that you have to verify. ये तो मैं भूल गया. Okay. So now what to do here? This is centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube is equals to 1 milliliter. 1 centimeter cube is equals to 1 milliliter. So this is milliliter. So now here the question is asking in liters. Milliliters को liters में express करना है तो we need to multiply. multiply milliliters को liters में express करना है. Divide by the 1000. Do remember this one. 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters. Suppose ये meter cube में है, liters में express करना है तो into 1000 करना है. This is in centimeter cube, so milliliter में आएगा. That milliliter if you want to express in liters, so if you multiply, I think so, what do you get this number? You are going to get in decimals only. Decimals में ये आ जाएगा. Okay, so whatever it may be, that number you can write that number into milliliters. Now whatever the answer you get, but divided by 1000 liters. Divided by 1000. Suppose if it is given in meters, meter cube, and liters may ask, if it is asking in liters, into 1000 liters. Or 1 meter cube can be written as 1 kiloliter, KL. 1 KL will लिख सकते. Okay, next, sixth question. Hemispherical tank. Here it is given to you the hemispherical tank is made up of an iron sheet of 1 centimeter thick. 1 centimeter thickness. If the inner radius is 1 meter, thickness is 1 centimeter, and inner radius is 1 meter, find the volume of the iron used to make the tank. So here what to do in this situation? Given inner radius that is equals to 1 meter is given to you as the inner radius, and this you consider as a small r, and thickness is equals to 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to how many meters? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100. 1 by 100 बोले तो 0.01 meters. We have to express in meters. And what is the volume of the? Because that is given. Otherwise, if you get confused, sir, ये centimeter में करेंगे, ये 100 होगा, ये 101 होगा. Sir, 1 centimeter as it is. That is your wish. If you want, you can convert into the decimals. क्यों लेना है बोल के सोच लिया तो why do decimals से confuse हो रहे बोले तो completely centimeters में भी convert कर सकते हैं. If you want, ये centimeters में convert, but it is not asking to you to anywhere else liters में express करने के लिए तो बोला नहीं है ना. Volume is asking to you to find out. And but here it is having some thickness. Volume of the iron used is asking. One spherical shape will be there. Outside one spherical shape will be there. So what you have to do here? Outer radius we need to find out. So outer radius is equals to outer radius capital R is equals to 101 centimeters. ये दोनों add करना है. Thickness that actually that is made with some iron sheet. So what is the iron sheet used? Okay. So here what is the volume is asking to you? Volume of sheet. So volume of the iron used is asked. So volume of the iron used. Volume of the iron used to make tank is equals to, what do you get? 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus, because 2 by 3 pi capital R cube means outer radius का outer sphere का वैल्यू में आएगा. इनर खाली होगा ना, वो खाली वाला सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. So the weight which is equal to 2 by 3, 22 by 7. Capital R is 101 cube minus 100 cube. That you have to simplify it. वो simplify करके multiply कर. In centimeter cube you are multiplying. A cube minus B cube formula पता है? If you want, you can use A cube minus B cube formula, but A cube minus B cube use करने में फायदा नहीं. 101 cube find out करो. A plus B whole cube formula 101 cube find out करने के लिए use कर सकते. Previous knowledge you have to use it here. समझ में आ रहा है ना? ये 101 cube find out करना है तो which chapter we did this one? Polynomials. A plus B whole cube formula use करके 100 plus 1 whole cube use करके करती है. इसका cube find out करना है. 100 cube तो you can find, वो दोनों subtract करना. You can use A cube minus B cube formula also. But A cube minus B cube formula क्या है? A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. तो उसमें square find out करना है, A into B find out करना है, वो भी lengthy होगा. उससे बेहतर individually cube find out कर लो and subtract them and find out. Okay? है, ये प्रॉब्लम समझ में आया? एक्चुअली फिगर कैसा होगा? हेमिस्फेरिकल, लाइक दिस. फिगर इसका ऐसा होगा. दिस थिकनेस, दिस वॉल्यूम यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट. हेमिस्फेरिकल है ना, दैट्स व्हाई 2 by 3 pi r क्यूब माइनस रिंग के जैसा फॉर्म होगा. रिंग. ओके, कंटिन्यू करेंगे. ओनली 2-3 प्रॉब्लम्स आर लेफ्ट. Seventh problem is very simple. Find the volume of the sphere. वो बाद में डिस्कस करते, पहले ये. So find the volume of the sphere whose surface area is given to you. From the surface area you can find out the radius. With the help of the radius you can find out the value. So that you can do. Next. 8th and 9th थोड़ा lengthy problems है. That too we will discuss and we will complete. 10th problem is easy. So a dome of a building is in the form of the hemisphere. Dome of the building is in the form of the hemisphere. From the inside it was whitewashed at the cost of 498 rupees 96 paise. If the cost of the whitewashing is 2 rupees per square meter, find the inner surface area. Find the inner surface area. So what is total cost here? So here it is given to you the total cost. Total cost से cost per centimeter cube is given to you. Centimeter, meter, square meter. So cost per square meter is given. So total cost is given to you 498 rupees 96 paise. 498 rupees 96. So first problem, what you have to do first way, you have to find out the inner surface area. So what are the given things? Total cost is given. Total cost by cost per meter square. Inner surface area is equals to total cost divided by cost per meter square. So which is equals to 498 rupees 96 paise, and the cost per meter square is rupees 2 rupees. Here it is given. तो इसको 2 से डिवाइड करो. 249 rupees 48. Yes, 48. What do you get here? 249 rupees नहीं है ये क्या होगा? एरिया होगा. So that's why you need to write this one in meter square. Because very good. Here it is very simple that the cost is given to you. Suppose here inside painting करने के लिए कितना total cost हुआ है वो दे दिया inside, and cost per 1 meter square कितना है वो दे दिया. Suppose मैं बोल रहा हूँ, you consider that this is a square shape. Square shape नहीं है ये, hemispherical but square shape. एक वाल पे है, ये 4 parts है. इसको कास्ट पेंट करने के लिए 2 rupees. टोटल कास्ट इज आई हैव गिवन टू यू 8 rupees. तो कितना स्क्वायर्स है फाइंड आउट करना है, तो क्या करेगा? टोटल कास्ट 8 रुपीज, उसमें से एक का कास्ट कितना है 2 रुपीज। तो ये टोटल कास्ट से एक कास्ट मीन्स 1 मीटर स्क्वायर कास्ट इफ यू डिवाइड what is the area you are going to get it na? In the same way it was given a hemispherical dome, वो इनसाइड पेंट कर रहे हैं तो टोटल कास्ट इज 498 रुपीज 96 पैसा। 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का कास्ट है 2 रुपीज। So if you divide by the 1 meter square cost to how many meter squares are there inside you are going to get, that is called the inner surface area. So inner surface area you got it. So and from that you have to find out the volume of the air inside the dome you have to find out. Second question. So directly volume you cannot find out. First you need to find out this is inner surface area. What is inner surface area of the sphere? Means हेमिस्फीयर, हेमिस्फेरिकल शेप है ना, हेमिस्फेरिकल शेप में है, हेमिस्फेरिकल शेप का सरफेस एरिया क्या है 2 pi r square ना, it is 2 pi r square na, so that is nothing but 2 pi r square is equals to 249.48. So from this 2 into this is 22 by 7 and r square is equals to 249.48. So r square is equals to 249.48 into 7 by 22 into 2. 2 ones are 2 11s are. 11 से डिवाइड होगा ये, 11 से डिवाइड होगा, 11 2s are 22 29 22 74 74 बोले तो 66, ओ सॉरी 2 नीचे आ जाएगा ना, 1/2 आएगा, ओके 11 2s are 22 29 74 66 68 yes 2 से करें 2 11 2s are 22 2 left over 29 11 2s are again 7 left over 74 6 8 again 2 से divide करो 11.34. So what do you get here? R square is one more is there, 2. This one if you divide it, 2 5s are 10, 6 7, 5.67. So 5.67 into 7. ये 5.67 7 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं 7 yes 5.7 because already here 7 is there, already 7 is there, ये स्क्वायर है ना, this is square है ना, so 5.67 can be written as 7 into 0.81, 8 7 to 56 है ना, so I will write it as a 0.81 into 7 into 7. 0.81 means 0.9 square. So r square is equals to 0.9 into 7 whole square. So r is equals to 9 7 63. 6.3. Easy way of calculation. Otherwise what you will do, ये दोनों multiply करेगा. मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद आर स्क्वायर निकालने के लिए स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करेगा, ये वो थोड़ा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. You can do in any other way. This is my idea of doing. Yes. R find out करनी. Yes. What? 4,000. 4,000. Wait. Oh, sorry. मैं मिस हो गया. Okay, okay. Decimal point है. What is given 4,000? कुछ हाँ? कुछ बुक्स में ऐसा है, कुछ बुक्स में ऐसा है. Huh? So whatever it may be that. Okay, let us consider the 498.96 only. So that we got answer. Let us continue like this only. In some books it is given to you like this, some books it is given to you like that. That doesn't matter. The problem in the what way unit. R value you got it. Suppose if you get here 49, sorry, here decimal point means इधर आ जाएगा, here आ जाएगा. तो नो, वो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट हो सकता है, यही करेक्ट होगा. Okay, 6.3 आ गया. Then after what you have to do? Volume of the air inside. So volume of the air inside means So volume is equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube. R is equals to, we got it. So volume is equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi value 22 by 7, 6.3 into 6.3 into 6.3. 7 9 is 63. Again 0.9, 0.09, 0.09. हाँ हाँ 0.9 है तो ये 0.3 होगा. मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, फाइनल आंसर ये आता है. मल्टीप्लीकेशन पार्ट आई एम लीविंग टू यू. देयर इज नो अदर वे. मल्टीप्लीकेशन तो मैं कैसे करना है, आप कैसे करना वैसे ही करना. उसमें तो इजी मेथड तो कुछ नहीं है. 63 थोड़ा इजी मेथड है. 63 into 63 कैसे करना है, मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ 2 डिजिट्स आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड. समझ में आया ना वो बात कैसे करना है. 2 डिजिट. वंस अगेन बोलना. 63 into 63 एनी 2 डिजिट नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करना है इन सिंगल स्टेप. फर्स्ट ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो, 9 क्लिक हो जाए. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके ऐड करो. ये दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन कितना है, 18. ये दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 18 and 18 36 हो जाए. 3 कैरिंग, ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करो, 36 plus 3 39. सिंगल स्टेप में आंसर आ जाएगा. सेम 72 into 63 होने से 3 2 का 6, ये 21 ये 12, 21 and 12 ऐड करो. ये दिमाग यूज करो, रफ यूज. 33 7 6 42, 42 plus 3. सिंगल स्टेप में आपको आंसर है. ये है प्रोसीजर. ये फर्स्ट ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करना है, नेक्स्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, नेक्स्ट दिस वन. ये प्रोसीजर यूज करो, वैदिक मैथ्स. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट 9th प्रॉब्लम इज गिवन दैट. ये तो कुछ नहीं है. हाँ ये अभी टाइम है 10:30 तक है. 10 minutes गैप होगा ना. 9th and 10th problems you can do it as a homework.